A for ant. B for C for
cow,
D for
doll,
E for
egg,
F for
fox,
G for
grapes,
H for
hen,
I for
ink,
J for
jar,
K for
key,
L for
leaf,
leaf. Which color it is?
green,
M for
mat,
which color it is?
huh?
Mat, which color it is? Pink or blue or white?
Pink.
Pink. Very good. N for
M for nab,
nib.
nib,
O for
orange,
P for
peacock,
Q for
queen,
R for
rat,
S for
ship,
T for
tap,
U for
huh?
empire.
Empire,
V for
vulture,
M for W for
watermelon,
X for
X-ray,
Y for
yard,
yard.
yard,
Yard. Z for
jeep.
very good.